Hi, my name is Jenna. This is my art studio. Ta-da! And today I am cleaning. I'll show you why. Okay, this is currently my workbench. It's pretty messy. This spot over here kind of goes through phases. I clean it up kind of as I go, but not really. As you move down, these are all my dirty brushes. I just have, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory why I am cleaning up today. I just have some random collage things on the ground. This is my little sink setup. I refill this up with water, and then I usually keep it here. When it gets low in water, it doesn't really work that well. So that is a chore I need to do. Yeah, and I figured I'd record this process because it always acts as motivation when I'm documenting something. And ha 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 ha. I'm just gonna have to stuff it under there. One more time, and I think that'll do it. Cool, so that's all filled up. I got some water left in here, and this will go by my stained glass grinder. So I can fill it up easily when I'm about to grind. Goes there. Most of these containers are dry. Oh, there's paint in there. This is dry and stuck. I'm not the cleanest painter, and perhaps that's my downfall, but I don't invest in expensive brushes because I know myself well enough to know that they'll just end up like this. So I don't really like, poor brush. It's okay, you know, they're okay. I'll probably have to soak them for a while. This is a trash can, you know, like, it's not, I'm not cleanest around here, but I never said I was, so that's okay. And there's days like today where I clean and then we start again. Goes there, empty, stuck. Whatever. This is like my favorite paint, so that goes there. Okay, I will clean this. It's just glass, and I usually just spray it. I guess this needs a refill too. Compasses go there, markers go here. This is a rag, go in the rag bin. These are, you know, Gamsol, that goes there. Almonds are always here. Brush. And then I have to wash my brushes next. I'm trying to figure out how I should do this. Look how beautiful. Anyways, this is what I use to revive my brushes and to wash them. It's the Brush Flush oil and latex paintbrush cleaner. I recommend it if this is how your brushes also look. Nice. I can't tell you how long those brushes have been in there. Well, at least some of them have been in there for a long time. Just keep adding water to it when the water evaporates so they don't get crusty. Okay, so some of them are really bad, so I'm just gonna take some hot water and pour some brush flush in it. And mix it around. I'm just gonna let them soak, per se. This is just Gamsol, an oil brush. See all the paint in there? That's okay. Good enough. Does anybody else also struggle with the upkeep of brushes or the upkeep of your studio or the upkeep of your cleanliness in your creative environment? I know like cleaning up in general is hard to stay on top of, but like who else has sorry brushes? Since I've been painting, it's my second year in college, so it's been like 5 years now, going on to 6. I was never the one to keep my brushes clean. I think I was good when I first started because I was like painting, but then as I developed my style and creative practice, it just wasn't really that big for me. I just use any brush that I can. I do have like favorite brushes. My favorite because they're shitty. I don't know where it came from. It's a 1-inch mop brush and it has seen better days. But it's like one of my favorite ones to just like get expressionistic on. Oh God. Speaking of, that's okay. I am an abstract expressionist who likes to incorporate geometry. I'm not into like equations or anything like that, but I do fancy a square around a circle. Sometimes I just go like this. Cool. Great. Gross. Cool. Clean. I have this one too, but 2 clean tanks. That's dope. Most of it's acrylic, some of it is oil. Almost. Whoops. That's good enough for me. I'll take it. Just love how the sun comes in. Look at them. I got the trains outside, also working hard. Looks really good to me. I am very happy with this. So I have to clean up the floor and organize my stained glass spot. Having friends over to collage is one of my favorite things to do and do creatively with someone. So I actively have people coming over and collaging with me. cool. So that was all I wanted to clean and get done today. And it actually went by pretty quickly because I had motivation. Recording really helps the process. I'll show you guys around now. Water is filled up. Heck yeah, my bucket is clean. There's nothing on the floor anymore. My stained glass station is all nice and cleaned up. My brushes are washed and they are drying. And this is all cleaned up. The things that need to be clean are cleaned and ready for my next creative outburst. Bye.